Getting documents signed should not require your signers to create account or you to pay monthly fee. Signly removes all that friction. Just upload, mark signature areas, press send, and it automatically emails signers with a unique tracking URL. Here is the complete video of this lightweight signing tool I built with Claude AI assistance. So this is Signly, the signly.com, and I think this is my most beautiful project. The design and the elements and whatever has been used, everything is generated by AI, but obviously it is not something which has been done using Lovable or Cursor. So we have done vibe coding. We have used the AI in this project, but it was custom coding, like we prompted each and everything and we were taking help from Claude. It took almost 3 days, and this is alternative of DocuSign actually. Let me show you how it works. So start signing now. Here we have to drag a document, or maybe we can choose a PDF file from here. Let me choose something from here. I don't know what it is. We can use this. This is just a dummy PDF. So let's use this. So after uploading the file, here it is showing Gani is one of my client, and this is a dummy challan that we have generated for them. So it's not a real, so we can use this. Here we have this document which is showing we have to add signature fields. Let's suppose we add here signature field, and here we have to write an email. Obviously I'll be hiding this email, and we have to write name of the signer as well. Let's suppose we have this one, or maybe we can say approved by. We can add another signer as well, and we can select the same signer, so that's not a big deal. We can add one more signer, again selecting this one. So after doing this, continue with 3 fields. Here we have to write our own email, so where we will be getting the signed copy, or we will be getting emails that the document has been signed by 1 people or 2 or 3, or it is 100% signed. So we have to write our own email as well. So let me write uptextsoul email name as well. Continue to preview. Here we can see and we can confirm. Okay, so the signer places are these, and these people have to sign. Obviously in this document we added only 1 signer. So we will be sending document from here, and an email will be generated to both of the people, or all of the people, all the signers, and who is sending this document for signing. These are the URLs you can directly send to them via email. Even they will be getting an email as well, but you can send them this via email or SMS or anything you want to use. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, we will be getting this email as well. So let's copy this. This is a signing URL. Here we have to write an email of the signer, like signer have to write his own email. Let me write something wrong first. Verifying access denied, because this email is not for the signer. Even the person who is sending this document for signing, his email will also not work. So I'm writing an email which will be hidden as well. You won't see that for security reasons. Continue document. Here we are saying, okay, the person who is writing the email, the person will be seeing only his signature fields, not someone else's signature fields. So let's suppose if the 2 of them will be for this signer, so the signer would be seeing only 2 signature fields instead of 3. But here in this case, all of the signature fields are for this signer, so that's why this email is seeing all of the 3 signature fields. So we can click on them and it will be dragged or scroll to that position. So click to sign. We can sign here, or there is another way to sign where we can write exactly what we want. Cool. Let's use this for the other one. Let's use my short name, great vibe. No, satisfy. Yes. Okay, all of these are signed. Submit document. Once this is done, let's see the tracking URL. Here we have to write a textual email because that is one we wrote as the person who is sending the document for signing. So verifying access, we can see that these are signed. We can also download signed copy of this document. Let's download it and let's open it. Let's see, here it is. So this is the signed copy. Okay, so there are some issues, obviously, that this opacity of this signature background is high. We can lower that, and I got to know about this in this video because this is our side project. So a proper QA is not done because this is not for clients. We use this for internal projects or our internal agreements as well. So we will fix this thing, and the signature is cutting this. So obviously this is not a big deal, but this is how this simple MVP works, and it took almost 3 days to complete the whole project from idea to launch. Ready to build something simple yet powerful for your business? We offer free consultation to discuss your project ideas and how we can bring them to life. Click the link in the description or check the link shown on screen to schedule your free consultation. Let's turn your vision into reality. Thank you so much.